guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best Vanguard AI ETF to buy and hold for a lifetime. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money. We talk about stocks, money management, trading, investing, all that good stuff. So subscribe and join the team. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's jump into the best AI Vanguard ETF. Let's go. I can't even hold myself in. Let's go. All right, so the best Vanguard ETF for AI technology investing is ticker symbol VGT. Now, the reason why I love this one so much is because of the holdings in here. The holdings in here are fantastic. All right, so looking at the top 10 holdings, you guys will see why I'm so excited about this. Starting off, we have Apple. Apple is the staple. It's the GOAT for AI, for technology. All right, the second company is Microsoft. Microsoft just invested billions of dollars into ChatGPT, which has been the fastest online platform to hit over 100 million active users. Also, moving in, we got NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a staple. They have AI chips. They are heavily invested into software, data, technology, and even AI. These top three in general are reasons to invest into this Vanguard ETF. But looking at the rest, we got companies like Salesforce, we got Broadcom, Cisco, we got Adobe, we got AMD, Oracle, all these GOATs for technology, all these fantastic picks for AI, for technology, robotics, all that good stuff. And I know you're probably saying right now, Carter, why would I still invest into these companies? Why would I invest into this ETF? Well, this thing is outperforming the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. Looking at the 5-year return, you guys will see that it's up over 128% in the past 5 years, comparing to the S&P 500, which is only up 56%. So this thing is almost doubling what the S&P has done. With that being said, you get great growth. On top of that, you guys will get dividends. Dividends is pretty much a great way to get passive income. All the companies in here that pay dividends, you will get dividends from this. So it's a great way to get growth, get some passive income, some cash flow, all that good stuff. Not to mention, a little pro tip is make sure you guys have a broker that offers dividend reinvesting. The reason why is because all the dividends you get, you want to reinvest them back into this ETF so it will compound on itself. Looking here, you guys can clearly see the difference between reinvesting your dividends, not reinvesting those dividends. So just reinvest those dividends, it'll make you guys a lot more money. And not to mention, the expense ratio or the fee for holding this ETF is extremely low, coming in at 0.1%. That's like $10 for every $10,000 you have invested, which is virtually like nothing, comparing this to other ETFs or other technology ETFs, which range near and around 1%. So this thing here is going to be getting great growth, it's going to be getting dividends, getting a ton of opportunity, and the fees are just a lot lower. And another reason why a lot of people love this is because look at the analyst ratings here. By 2030, they're expected a high forecast of this ETF to range from about $732 to a high of $734. For an ETF right now that is about $400 a share, $430 a share, this is a fantastic return on your money in the next 10 years. So I would highly recommend this ETF. But now that we understand what this ETF is, some little tips, what is the best strategy? I honestly believe the best strategy for this ETF is going to be dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, pretty much what it is it's investing consistently every single week into this ETF, whether it's $5, $10, or $100,000. What you do is you develop a good average price for your shares. So whether the stock sells off all the way down to zero, what you do is you average down that price. So once the stock recovers, you make a lot more money because your average cost is so low. But I know you're saying, Carter, what if the stock just goes up? Hey, you got shares, you're making money as this thing appreciates, and you're just investing for the long run. Also, I would keep this thing under 10% of my portfolio just because this thing is going to be a little more volatile than like a traditional S&P 500 ETF, but it still is going to carry enough growth and enough opportunities where I want to have a decent amount of money. And I know you're saying again, Carter, that's only 10%, that's not much. Hey, you always can buy more down the road. On top of that, if this thing sells off, you can even buy more. So guys, this is the best AI Vanguard ETF. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys got anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care.